Today's featured car of the day is a 1959 Pontiac Bonneville Coupe in sea spray green. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was definitely a looker, that's for sure, especially with the tri-tone interior. This was part of the second generation of the Bonneville, which only went 2 years, 1959 and 1960. As far as engines go, Pontiac had their 389 cubic inch 6.4 liter in two different styles, 260 horsepower with a Carter 4-barrel, and then they had the 300 horsepower with the hydromatic transmission, which is what this guy has. And that one had 10-to-1 compression. As far as dimensions go, it was 124-inch wheelbase, and the length was 220.7 inches. And width-wise, it was 80.7 inches wide, and the curb weight was 4,086 pounds. So he's a big guy. You need a big garage to put him in, that's for sure. As far as the production numbers go, Pontiac sold 383,320 cars in 1959, and 82,564 were the Bonneville. And out of that, the two-door hardtop, they sold 27,769. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.